Why am I obsessed with OpenClaw? The reason is because it gives people like you, yes, you, the one who's watching this video right now, and me, non-technical users, it gives us the ability to create agentic workflows. And if you don't know what agentic workflows means, and it's scaring you and it's making you want to slide the video on, let me explain what agentic workflows are. Basically, all they are is a list of things. So, for example, scrape YouTube, find a recent video of mine, write a blog post, and post it onto my WordPress. That is an agentic workflow. For those of you who've never used agents before or bots, OpenClaw is going to be your bridge to do that. And the reason why I love it so much is because even the regular average user can create agentic workflows. And I love empowering people. That's my hobby. That's why I'm so excited about OpenClaw. Now, just imagine it was this easy to install OpenClaw. One freaking click. Click install. It will install on Windows, Mac, VPS, Linux, Ubuntu. Whatever you want, you can install in one click. Yes, you heard me right. So what am I talking about? This is Claw Launcher. It's the tool that bridges the gap for non-technical users to be able to use OpenClaw. The Claw Launcher will give you the opportunity to start getting your hands dirty with OpenClaw. It will give you the opportunity to start getting trained up. Anyone who can master this is the future. You're going to have the future in your hands. And if you're not jumping on this trend, then you are missing out. There are some people that said, listen, this is just a hype. It's going to be calm in a few days. Well, in the end, OpenAI said, listen, we want to be partnering with OpenClaw. So that just shows that the people who said it was just a hype were wrong. And so you need to start checking and seeing what this can do for you. And the first step is to get the Claw Launcher, click install in one click. And after you install it, you click the start button. And it's as simple as that. It literally will run OpenClaw for you so you can start messing around and see if this can do something for you. So see you in the next video. I hope this makes sense for new users. I just taught you how to install this on Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu, or Linux, or any VPS for that matter. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.